What's up, guys? We are here with the Furibee F36 again. We are going to tiny whoop this little beast. I've got all the stuff right here. Let's see. We've got the Furibee 36 itself. Then we've got the hot glue gun we're going to need, FPV camera, soldering gun. We're going to need a screwdriver. And then I got some other stuff I'm going to add on to it anyway. That's going to be the canopy right here. And then this little JST 1.25, because I have a lot of better batteries in that range. So we're using the Turbo Wing FPV racing camera, a little micro camera right here. So we're going to have to check that out as well and see how that runs. Alright guys, we're going to get this out, break it down to a time lapse for you, and get it out there and see how this actually runs. Let's go. Alright guys, let's go fly this tiny whoop. All right, you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching. We are out.